grossly negligent to the point where they are responsible for this.
That wouldn't fly. They're going to reschedule it somehow.
I think you're right. I don't think they're being fooled.
I think schedule. How do you prove they were negligent? That's the problem. Especially if the league gets the numbers.
Maybe you make
The Hardy's point, like who gets the numbers? You got to think it's a database. You know, I walk in, I get tested, they enter my name in a database right there. And it's not like run.
But if it played out like we said, like no, there's one guy who was positive, he wasn't there on Sunday, and then other guys after their symptoms emerged and you know they were exposed, but they didn't test positive until later. Okay, we did everything right with testing, we did everything right with reporting. A couple of guys ended up getting sick and obviously got it from this one guy, and we locked her down and we did everything we were supposed to. How do you make a forfeit? How do you make them forfeit the game?
Not if they did everything right. I don't think that's fair.
And even if they did a couple of things wrong, in terms of, is it true that the linebackers coach got within closer than 6 feet of one of the players he was coaching and his mask slipped off at one point during practice? Yeah. Did they forfeit a game over that? No, that to me doesn't rise to like negligence.
What if it's asymptomatic? No times guys even if, see, that's the crazy part. It's like, we didn't even know we had it. Like, we didn't feel sick. We didn't get tested. We passed the test on Saturday.
Right.
Coach didn't. He got held back. Let's see. We're fine. So you continue to play. And then you get tested every day. And then, okay. Wow. Okay, now these 7 others test positive.
617-779-0985. You got to have something that's truly negligent for it to go down like that. Bill Belichick had some comments on Patrick Mahomes. We talked about him this morning.
Yep.
On his Zoom call with the media. Looked good today. Looked a lot better this week.
He got a haircut.
Looks like he's got his haircut. He's going to pull the shirt on. Here's what he said about Patrick Mahomes this morning.
A quick follow, though. Patrick Mahomes. What are your thoughts on him as a player?
I mean, all the superlatives have been said about him. Just pure baseball.
What do you make of that answer?
Well, I did TV with him today, so I know he thinks of Mahomes.
And was it positive?
Yeah. He had his stuff different every week.
Okay.
That's another layer.
I didn't read into the answer the way some people may have read into that.
Hey, he looks at, hey, we played him, we beat him, we lost him. You know? I think it's more about Andy. I think he's more worried about the scheme of Andy, and then it's up to the players playing. I got to make sure my player's in the right position to defend against him. If he makes a play against him, then it's a credit to him. I think the players know how good he is. I think the coach knows how good he is. I think Bill wastes his time to sit there for another 45 seconds talking about, boy, this guy's good. He did this well, that well. We know. We watch a game. What did you think of it? Yeah. Now, if he said that.